Consequentialism. It is an ethical theory. It judges whether or not something is right by what its consequences are. If we want to learn something about that, we should have an example. Most people would agree that lying is wrong, but if telling a lie would help save a person's life, consequentialism says it's the right thing to do. Actually, consequentialism is divided into further two terms. First one is utilitarianism and second one is hedonism. Utilitarianism judges consequences by a greatest good for the greatest number standard, whereas hedonism, on the other hand, says something is good if the consequence produces pleasure or avoids pain. Basically, consequentialists believe in these two theories, but at the same time, there is also a criticism on consequentialism. I would like to explain what type of criticism is on consequentialism. Consequentialism is sometimes criticized because it can be difficult or even impossible to know what the result of an action will be ahead of time. Indeed, no one can know the future with certainty.